and I can start actually taking what's in analytics, and that's the whole people looking for insights all the time, right? It's really just actions. I want to be able to take actions. So analytics can show me what the trends are, what the pattern is from those users that are on my site. And then I can use that as information to actually take action.
Yeah,
it's always about truth is in the trend, the power is in the pattern. It's not about the individual number. It's about all the numbers together and what the stories that they're telling you.
It is incredibly exciting, this whole area. I just find it extraordinary. And I feel, like a cave. I feel like I was floundering in the dark before I started doing this. Seriously, I mean, I spent 2-3 years building a website, I had no clue about traffic to it.